This is the connector in Augmentus. In this walkthrough, we'll use it to automatically find and generate collision-free motion between two process paths on an engine block, with no manually placed waypoints. When a project has more than one auto-generated path, the robot still has to travel between them. Traditionally, you would hand-place intermediate waypoints, or send the robot home between passes, checking for collisions and singularities yourself. That is slow to set up, and homing between passes adds cycle time. The connector plans that transit motion for you. Every move between paths is collision-free and singularity-aware, checks you would otherwise do by hand. Before you begin, the connector needs a waypoint on each side, one before it and one after. Those waypoints can come from AutoGen passes, like AutoSurface, AutoPattern, and AutoEdge, or from standalone waypoints you place yourself. And the connector is available in Augmentus version 3.1 onward. At a high level, the workflow is 4 steps. First, add a connector between the two paths. Second, set it up for your process. Third, plan and generate the transit motion. And fourth, simulate the result. Let's walk through each one on the engine block. Start in the tree view at the point between the two deburring passes you want to link. Open Add function, go to Utility and choose Connector. The connector drops into the tree with a waypoint on each side. Open its panel and the process selector lets you choose your application. For the engine block, we'll pick deburring, which tunes the planner for that kind of motion. Confirm it, and the connector's setup is complete. With setup done, click Compute Solutions. The planner runs several algorithms at once to find viable collision-free paths and keeps every workable result. Each plan appears in the solutions list. Select one, and a ghost robot previews the exact move. When it looks right, click Generate Waypoints to write the path into your program. With the first transition planned, add a connector for the next gap between the second and third passes, exactly the same way. This time, there's nothing to set up. The new connector inherits the settings you just committed, so you're not asked to choose the process again. It arrives ready to plan, so you simply compute solutions and generate. On a project with several passes, that is what makes the connector fast. Every extra transition is just add and generate. Finally, press plan to run the full simulation. The robot flows through the whole program, deburring each region and crossing safely between passes, with every transition between them planned automatically, no homing, and nothing placed by hand. And this is just the start. The same connector, scaled to a full car frame, planning every transition automatically. And that's the connector. Drop it between your process paths, choose your process, and let the Augmentus software handle safe, collision-free transitions with no manual waypoints and no homing between passes.